Hello, my name is AidanKlein, and this is my Wwise demo reel where I will be explaining my process for designing the sounds for Unity's 3D game kit, and then implementing them into the game using Wwise. I began by using Wwise's profiler to log all the events in the game. I then used these to create an asset list so I could easily organize and track all the sounds I'd be creating for the game. I recorded Foley for as many sound elements as I could. For footsteps, I had an actor walk, run, and jump on dirt, grass, concrete, and puddles, and used these for their respective events in Wwise. For other effects, I recorded Foley and then laid on samples from various sound libraries to create the appropriate effect. For sounds that occur often, like the chomper becoming alert and Ellen's ailing staff, I wanted to ensure that they would sound distinct and recognisable, but also contain a large amount of variation so as not to be too repetitive. I accomplished this by splitting the sound effect into different sections, such as the main transient of the sound, any lead-ins or tails, as well as any textures, to create a single effect. I imported these sections into their own random containers within Wwise, which were then nested within a blend container to merge them into one effect, which when combined with pitch randomization, creates near infinite possibilities. Some sounds required precise timings to correctly match up to the animations within the game. For these, I recorded gameplay and videos of the animations, and used these while designing the sound to ensure that the audio cues correctly synced up to the visual feedback the player would be getting. For example, the main enemy, the chomper, I had a voice actor perform vocalizations, and then used pitch and time adjustments to make them both sound inhuman as well as sync up with the creature's movements, which I then layered with Foley and sample content of snakes, crocodiles, and other aggressive reptilian creatures. For the props found throughout the game world, I used RTPC curves to assign volume, pitch, and filter automation that would adjust based on the player's proximity to the sound source in an effort to provide a more realistic, or at times creative, experience. As for the main player character Ellen, I had a voice actor perform her voice and sounds to gameplay footage. I then edited the voice clips and applied slight compression, EQ, and reverb to appropriately place the character into the game world. Thank you for watching my demo reel. If you have liked what I've done or have any feedback or questions about my work, then please feel free to contact me on Instagram or Twitter at AidanKleinAudio.